This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by verifying prerequisites and starting the first actionable steps. Check the Liapp version and device OS immediately because mismatches cause false alerts. Once done, pull the relevant logs, Liapp logs plus system logs, and record timestamps. This gives you the timeline. Make sure you have network access and admin credentials available, and take a quick backup snapshot before changes. This protects data and lets you revert. Now, proceed to isolate whether the alert is configuration, network, or data-related. You now diagnose the core problem by reproducing the alert in a controlled environment. This confirms whether it is deterministic. While reproducing, cross-check configuration files against known good templates and review recent updates or permission changes that could cause behavior shifts. Apply focused log filters by error code, 1-minute intervals, and source IPs to narrow the origin. Once you identify the likely culprit, test small changes. Roll back a config line, patch a file, or throttle a network endpoint to confirm. You apply the targeted fix you validated earlier, edit the config, deploy the patch or correct permissions, and document the exact change. Then run validation tests and monitor the system for 15 to 30 minutes, watching metrics, logs, and the alert itself to confirm resolution. If the alert clears, finalize by committing the change and updating runbooks. If the issue persists, revert to the backup snapshot, collect artifacts for escalation, and provide a concise timeline. This speeds root cause analysis when you involve the vendor or team.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.